Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make fast PayPal money using only your phone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And every 1,000 new subscribers, I give away some free money. So please give me a like and also drop a comment down below. It really helps out my channel. Also, if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today, please drop that in the comments below. And also type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe right now and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss any of the steps that you need to take to get PayPal money fast just using your phone. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm in the Apple App Store, and I'll tell you the name of this app in a minute. All right, so this app right here, you're going to make some money from being an influencer. So it says here, become an influencer. And you're going to be creating eye-popping content, promote brands, and get rewarded and withdraw instantly. So the name of this app is Manifest. Raise your influence. So let's just go ahead and read a little bit more about it. So it says here, Manifest is a social lifestyle app which helps you become a better creator, promote brands you like and causes you care about, and get rewarded for it. The reward depends on your social rating, social capital score, which represents the level of your influence and popularity on a social network. So this is how it works. Connect your account and get your social capital score. Choose the format and which manifest you want to participate in. Post on social media, receive payment in 24 hours. That's pretty fast, guys. Withdraw your earnings to PayPal. And let's scroll down here and see what else it says. What you also will get is daily uploaded social capital score to track your popularity, tips and tricks on how to develop your social media profile, and the opportunity to join a referral program, bring friends, and get rewards. So not only you'll be getting paid to promote brands on your social network to your following, you also be able to get paid by referring your friends. All right, let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So the rating is 4.2 out of 5. Not real good, but not too bad. When it's in the fours, you know, it is still a pretty good app. So let's just scroll down here and read some of the reviews. Okay, here's one review says, cool and fun app. Too good to be true. Seems pretty cool. Get paid, but not a lot. Hopefully, what it says here. Hopefully I'll get a response from my review. I really love the concept of this app. So that person loved it. I love this app. Getting paid. I've been using this app and I love it. It pays. So we got a lot of good reviews. Now we got some negative reviews too here. Some say it's terrible. Some say it's a waste of time. But it's always going to be a fair share of negative reviews along with the positive reviews. Everybody has their own experience with these apps. But this is a good app, especially if you're on social media all the time. If you're on there all the time and you're not getting paid, you can use this app to start getting paid just being on social media, posting like you do on a regular basis. Now, I have one other app I want to show you. So let me go ahead and go to that right now. So if you're ready to get started with Manifest, again, it's available on the App Store, Apple App Store, and it's also available on the Google Play Store. All right, now let me go ahead and go to the second app. Okay, I'm at the next app. I'm still in the Apple App Store, and the name of this app is FeaturePoints. Make money and earn rewards. Okay, so this app, it's a survey app and also a shopping online cashback app. So you're going to make money two ways on here. And I know you guys have seen a lot of survey apps, but this is a good one because you get paid pretty fast and it's been around for a while. So this is a replicable app that you can use and make some money from. Okay, let me just go over it right quick. FeaturePoints. Earn rewards for completing surveys and shopping online. Use your points to get rewards, including Amazon, PayPal, and more. Share your referral code with your friends and earn 50% of points they earn. And then earn up to 40% cash back at hundreds of stores like Best Buy, Forever 21, Walmart, Adidas, Target, Gap, Macy's, all the big top stores. So let's scroll down here and just read a little bit more about it right quick. I know I said right quick a lot, but let me go ahead and read it right quick. Anyway, make money and earn rewards on your phone, your iPhone and iPad with surveys, cashback, and more. As you can see, they've paid out 5.8 million US dollars in rewards since 2012. So you redeem for amazing rewards, complete surveys, earn cash back, share with friends, and earn everywhere. Okay, let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. Now, out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. Like I said before, if it's over 4, the rating is over 4, it's a good app. And this one is 4.3, so that's pretty good. So let's just read some of the reviews here. So we got this one, says, pretty good app. Let's see what else they got on here. Like I said before, you're going to see some negative reviews, but that's just their experience with the actual app. And here's one, it's easy to earn points, the best app to get money. And this one, great app, has been around for a long time. Great app, more ways to earn points. Real app, highly recommend. So that's some good ones, and like I say, there's some bad ones, waste of time. Okay, now that's it. That's all I'm gonna say about this app. So it's a good app to make some money from with cashback and surveys, and they do pay through PayPal. And If you want to go ahead and start on making money from this app, again, go to the App Store, and it's also available in the Google Play Store. It's called FeaturePoints. All right, guys, so now you know how you can make fast PayPal money using your phone. So go ahead and download those apps, and you know what? Start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button and help me to get like 150 likes, because the more likes I get, the more YouTube will recommend this video to more viewers on YouTube. So please hit that like button for me. Let's get over 150 likes. And also drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also type hashtag get your grind on, so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet. There's a little button right there that says share. Click that. It's going to have a link. You're going to copy that link, and you can share that on all social networks, all the social media networks that you're on. Please share it everywhere, because like I said, I'm trying to get to 3,000 subs. I know we can make it this month. So if you will be able to help me out and share that with everybody, we can get there even faster. And plus, I want to help everybody I can, because we all need to become financially free in 2020. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, that's it. I really appreciate your support. One more thing I want to say before I leave. I want to give somebody a shout out. Alex Allen, thank you for that comment. I really love what you put on that in the comment. Please, thank you for your support. Hope you're a subscriber and keep watching all my videos. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces. Get your grind on.